So, flooring enthusiasts, choosing the right type of flooring for your home can be a daunting task, especially with so many options available on the market. Today, we're diving into a common dilemma: laminate flooring versus natural wood flooring. Which one should you choose? Let's weigh the pros of each to help you make an informed decision. Introduction to laminate flooring. Let's start by talking about laminate flooring. Laminate flooring is a synthetic product made of multiple layers that are fused together through a lamination process. It often mimics the look of natural wood or stone, but comes at a more affordable price point. Pros of laminate flooring. One of the biggest advantages of laminate flooring is its affordability. It's typically cheaper than natural wood flooring, making it a budget-friendly option for homeowners. Laminate flooring is easy to install and maintain, often requiring minimal upkeep compared to natural wood flooring. Introduction to natural wood flooring. Now let's turn our attention to natural wood flooring. Natural wood flooring, as the name suggests, is made from solid wood planks or engineered wood boards. It offers the timeless beauty and warmth of real wood, adding a touch of elegance to any space. Pros of natural wood flooring. One of the main advantages of natural wood flooring is its aesthetic appeal. Nothing quite compares to the rich, natural beauty of real wood. Natural wood flooring also adds value to your home and can last for generations with proper care. Additionally, natural wood flooring is biodegradable and environmentally friendly, making it a sustainable choice for eco-conscious homeowners. So, which should you choose, laminate flooring or natural wood flooring? Ultimately, the decision depends on your budget, lifestyle, and aesthetic preferences. If you're looking for an affordable, durable option that mimics the look of real wood, laminate flooring may be the way to go. I hope this comparison has helped shed some light on the pros and cons of laminate flooring versus natural wood flooring. Thanks for watching, and happy flooring!